What's going on, everyone? My name is Jeff, and we're going to do a little bit more price forecasting. Today, we're going to talk about NIO stock, ticker symbol NIO. So guys, I was looking at the one-day chart of NIO, and something kind of dawned on me. NIO is now under its IPO pricing. Back on September 11th, 2018, that's when NIO IPO'd, and it was first offered to the public at $6.25 a share. And so what I want to know, guys, go down to the comment section and tell me, where do you think NIO will be trading at in 1 year from today? We've been getting some really good response on these videos. You know, I think they're a whole lot of fun. And of course, I look forward to a year from now going back and looking through all these comments and seeing, you know, if any of us guessed this correctly. So NIO is currently trading at $5.81, and right here at market open, guys, it dipped all the way down to $5.49, and since then has kind of caught some wind. Looks like it found a level of resistance, and now it's starting to trade back up. You know, of course, this is coming off a disappointing earnings call, and of course, also a slow in demand. So the forecast for NIO at the moment is not very bullish. Now, in the video I made last week, I did talk about how NIO starts becoming very attractive under the $6 mark, but I think this stock is going to be getting traded very heavily right now, and I think the shorts are going to jump on NIO pretty much every time it hits that $6 level. As you can see right here, about 2 hours after open, that's when NIO hit $5.92, has kind of lost its momentum along with the rest of the market, and has traded back down, now sitting around the $5.80 range. So now I have the 5-day chart pulled up on NIO, guys, and as you can see, it is just taking out one low after another, kind of day after day, has not really found a level of resistance, and is making new all-time lows. So this could go on for a while. Like I said, it is getting very, very heavily shorted, but the buyers are coming in on those big dips. So this would be a good stock, perhaps to do some day trading with. There's no updated news to report on NIO since my last video. Over here on Robinhood, guys, you can see right now, NIO has a 44% buy rating, a 33% hold rating, and a 22% sell rating. Now, this is going off of the statistics that Robinhood uses, and I'm guessing most of the shares being traded with NIO are being done on Robinhood or some zero commission broker. So kind of here's my opinion about NIO right now. I honestly think NIO is going to trade down even lower, guys. We might see it go all the way down to $5, and we might see it in the $4 range. Guys, I also want to show you this too as well. I'm in my TD Ameritrade brokerage account, and right here, what I have highlighted, this is the short interest, and this is of 228.19. The short percent of float is 37% right now, okay? So 1 out of 3 people are holding this stock short. Now, I'm sure this number is going to change and get updated a little bit, and I'm sure many of those have covered since NIO was up over that $10 range. But just keep in mind, a lot of people are short and holding put options on NIO right now and anticipating it to go down even more. Now, if you are planning on building a long-term position, may I suggest a strategy that perhaps might work for you, especially if you have a Webull or a Robinhood account or zero commission broker, is try to break it up into 4 different entry points. Make an entry point here at the $5 range and be prepared to buy it again in the $4 range. And as much as I hate to say it, even be prepared to see NIO in the 3s, okay? Because momentum is a crazy thing. Stocks you think are going to be held up by the market will get sold off massively by institutions when there's a lot more bullish scenarios and a lot better places to be putting your money. And in my opinion too, I feel like there's better places to invest than NIO right now. But this is certainly something I'm going to want moving into the future. I've even made room for it in my M1 Finance account where I can just buy $10 and $20 of it at a time. But for right now, in the short term, I think be prepared to see NIO stock drop even lower than it's currently trading at today, okay? I will put my 1-year price prediction down in the comments section, guys, and it will be pinned as always. Be sure to go down there and tell me where you think NIO will be trading at in 1 year. And thanks so much for watching the video, guys, and have an awesome day.